This is our RH series LED panel. We have stock in Mexico ready to ship, and we have stock in China for larger projects. One panel size is 500 by 1000 millimeter. Its weight is only 14 kilograms. This LED panel is hubble design. There is no complex squares, no wasted time. Plug, lock, and play. Our LED screen refresh rate is 7680 Hz. 3 events can pay back your LED screen. No need 3 months, no need 3 years. Our warranty is 3 years, and our LED screen is mainly used for concert, stage, church, hearing exhibition. Please direct message with P3.91. We will quote you in 1 hour.